We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned, we have been looking to see the breakout of this correction. And as we can see, the price almost tagged the lowest price of this shadow. And we have been looking, we mentioned with the breakout of the 14, even we can look for price to drop to 11. By the way, for me, I'm looking for the reversal. Even I have been looking for the reversal. We mentioned we're looking for buy. And if we refer to the weekly chart, as you can see, based on weekly, we are at the lowest price of this correction. Technically, whenever we see this kind of the correction, at least we need to see the reversal in relative to what we have here. Okay, that means if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But technically, we see we have internal flat as a 3 waves, and the next move should be the one is going to at least take the all-time high. Okay, but whenever we see this kind of the structure, this is in terms of the technical analysis. Okay, that's mean if we want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal and we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade. Then how about if the price continue and drop? Because if we refer to the 2018, this is what we have seen. But there was no proper structure here. It was quite different. And as we can see, we have been within this correction for a few years. The possibility for this one happen here is very less. And even if the price is going to be within the correction, the possibility for the price break the lowest price of this correction, which is a 4 cent, is very less. But we need to be quite careful. That's why any trade for buy as an investment, as a reversal, as a long term, we have to look for the proper trade setup based on daily chart. Simply, we cannot take the trade. And if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the price broke the lowest price of this correction, tag the 14. What I'm looking for this one. With the breakout of the 36, I'm looking for at least for 41, following by 48 cent. But from what we can see here, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup. One thing I need to highlight here, when we get this move, I was keep highlighting about this solat for the next drop, and exactly this is what we get. That's why when the price was within this down move, within here, even we discussed about reversal, looking for buy, I mentioned we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we are not going to take the trade and keep it because we have this opportunity, this possibility. And exactly this is what we get in relative to what we have here. Okay, now, if we refer to, as we can see, the price broke the previous low, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, now we want to see if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal. For me, I will take it, and based on lower time frame. And if I move to forward chart, I don't see any trade setup yet, then I'm looking for the correction. Any forward or 1 hour correction, I will take the trade, my stop loss at least somewhere below this. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart, based on 1 hour chart, even I don't see any trades, so we have to wait. Whether we should look for sell or not, if any drop showing as a sharp move flag, we can look for sell. But I won't suggest to look for sell, similar to what we get here. It depends on the traders. For me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. I'm looking for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.